Hey guys, good morning. We did have a small pop for Costco this morning. Currently, for all my options overall on Costco, remember that we are doing the breakout strategy for Costco. I am up 84% overall for the three options that I have. But for the first one, for this, what is it? This 440 call, I'm up 59%. For the 425 call, I'm up 130%. And for the 400 call, I am up 80%. So I will be letting this play out and simmer throughout the whole day. But if for whatever reason, anytime throughout the day, we do hit a 90% gain overall, I will be selling out of my contracts. I will not be letting any runners go to the, because my target price for Costco is actually $4.29. But you guys know that if I have any kind of increase in options from anywhere from 80, 90 to 100%, I generally like to take profit as soon as I have something like an overall 90% value on the contract on the upside. So I will be, as soon as this hits 90%, I will be selling out of all my Costco contracts. I will not be letting these run to 429, even though that was the target price. Again, target price is always priority unless your contracts shoot up to some crazy like percentage increase. My take profit percentage is anywhere between 80 and 100%. It really just depends on if what hits first, right? Either that take profit or the actual either the target price or my percentage take profit. And it just depends on which one hits first. So if Costco does give me a return of 90% on the higher side, I will be closing out all of these three, and it'll be closer to like maybe like an 860 profit gain, and then we'll be looking at like other stuff, right? But for the most part, this would be the third installment of the breakout strategy. We all know how well Nike went. We all know how well Apple went, and now the third one with Costco looks like it's going to be playing out pretty well. I also have the breakout strategy on Pepsi, DocuSign, and I think Crowd that I bought in yesterday, and I bought those I think sometime this week. But we'll see how those play out. But as far as Costco, just a quick update: if my price reaches anything at 90% today for the overall increase in gains, I will be selling out. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great Friday.